So Alzheon is pleased to present the results of our open-label trial evaluation of ALZ-801 in early AD. Subjects who have early AD and are APOE4 homozygous or heterozygous. The study was conducted over 2 years with a primary outcome focus on fluid biomarkers in addition to imaging biomarkers, and then in addition to that, secondary endpoints such as clinical cognition endpoints. The study completed very well, enrolled very fast. The 2-year data, which I'll be presenting on Saturday, shows that ALZ-801, given twice a day, again, ALZ-801 is an oral tablet that has potential disease modification effects by inhibiting the formation of toxic oligomers. In the trial, we showed that we resulted in a sustained and marked reduction of p-tau 181, which is a marker of neuronal injury associated with the progression of AD. It only occurs in the plasma and neurodegenerative diseases such as AD. And the effect of ALZ-801 over 2 years was sustained with approximately 30% reduction in plasma p-tau 181. In addition to that, we evaluated primary imaging. Specifically, we'll be showing the data on hippocampal volume. As you know, the hippocampus is the memory center of the brain. ALZ-801 in those patients that received the treatment, both heterozygous and homozygous, showed about a 20-21% reduction in the amount of atrophy. So there was a reduction in atrophy compared to an external control group from the ADNI population. And then in addition to that, we evaluated clinical outcomes, measures of cognition. And in those subjects, we showed a sustained and complete stabilization of cognition in the patients over 2 years. We're also pleased that we've continued that study. We don't have those data here because it's ongoing, but the subjects that were in the 2-year trial rolled into a long-term extension. We're completing a 3rd year. We're going to be opening a 4th-year with a very good reception from our investigators and our subjects in the trial, so very pleased about that. And these data will help inform not only the effects on biomarkers for the Phase III, but also in the heterozygous population as we envision future trials in heterozygous and subpopulations of AD, early AD. Our Phase III, a pivotal Phase III trial in homozygous, APOE4 homozygous, is fully enrolled, and it's scheduled to complete this year. So we're very excited by the completion of that study, and we'll be reporting that later in the year. So that study is ongoing. It's a study conducted in 9 countries, so we're very pleased on where we are, and we look forward to the results with anticipation, as well as the potential to bring new therapies for the early AD population, homozygous population.